In this tutorial I will show you how to make mask in Premiere Pro 2026. Let's begin. Previously we could hide part of a video by setting the transparency level, and we had masking features we could use here. This feature has now been moved to this toolbar next to the object masking tool. So, if we click here, for example, I want to create a circular mask around this man's face. You can increase or decrease the size of the circle by dragging the Shift button to maintain the dimensions. I click into this and then draw a circle over the area that I want to mask out. As we can see there, that has highlighted that area in red, but it's not masking it out. We have to come up to Unassigned Masks within Effect Controls and drag this Eclipse mask into the opacity. You can then also feather change the opacity and the expansion, if you need to for your project. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.